Yeah, we wanted to talk about what's available with sesamecare.com. First off, why is there a need for something like this?
I think for both patients and doctors looking for a better way to do healthcare. I think there's a lot of people who are struggling to figure out how to find affordable healthcare, and Sesame Care gives them an option to do that.
And how does Sesame address those needs?
So the way it works is that it's an online marketplace for doctors to list available appointments, and they do it with a transparent cash price so that patients can go on, find the service that they need, and actually see a price in real time, book and pay for that appointment.
And how does that concept work?
Well, it's actually quite familiar. We do this with lots of other areas of our lives. We do this with travel, a website called Expedia people may have heard of. And so we want to make this a pretty familiar concept as opposed to the kind of confusing process that most people have when they pay for a doctor's visit.
And what are just some of the services that are available through Sesame?
Pretty much from A to Z. We have a lot of primary care doctors. We have a lot of specialists. That's things like orthopedics, cardiology, and then other things like dentists, optometrists, physical therapy, talk therapy. So it pretty much runs the gamut.
What type of audience does this appeal to?
We really think anybody who's looking for a better healthcare experience, but I think there's two kind of types of people that would most benefit. Number one is people who don't have insurance. So people really don't know where to look for healthcare oftentimes. So if you don't have insurance and you still need medical care. The other type would be people with high deductibles. A lot of people have insurance, but they have such a high deductible that they're paying themselves out of pocket. So this can really save them a lot of money.
Well, is this something to replace health insurance?
No, explicitly no. This is not health insurance. Health insurance is pretty good at some things, like helping you avoid bankruptcy. But in terms of navigating the system and finding affordable care, especially affordable care that you know up front what it's going to cost, it's pretty bad at that. So, this is not a replacement for insurance, but it's a way for people to find care that they need today.
And SesameCare.com, you were rolling it out in KC. Why Kansas City?
Well, Kansas City's awesome, number one. I grew up in Kansas and now live in Lawrence. So Kansas City is just a really awesome community of doctors, and I think the public is really going to be open to these type of ideas.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your time. Dr. Ryan Newhoffel, again, thanks for your time here this morning with 101 The Fox.
Thank you.